I entered engineering through a fairly traditional route. At school I did science and maths A-levels and then went off and did a first degree in civil and coastal engineering. I've worked in flood defence, flood risk management, coastal engineering, renewable energy, in particular around the marine renewables, and also irrigation and farming. I've had children, so I've got 2 teenage boys, but I certainly didn't find having children was any kind of detriment or impediment to me progressing my career. For me, water engineering is just the coolest job that you can have. If you want to make a difference to society and humanity, then water engineering does more for public health than any other profession that you could choose to enter. Here in the Northwest, we're able to produce a ton of water, so that's taking that water from our catchment sources, whether it's a reservoir or a borehole, treat it to pharmaceutical grade quality, deliver it to your tap, take away the arisings of that water after you've finished using it, treat it and dispose of it safely to the environment, all for around about the cost of a cup of coffee. My team in engineering get involved in all sorts of activities across the company. So we support water resource planning, we support the design of new schemes, new capital schemes, but also optimising how we operate and maintain the facilities that we've already got. So we get involved in a very broad spectrum of activities. We've got the Blackburn wastewater treatment works upgrade, so we're spending over £100 million on that project. And at Davy Hume, we commissioned just 2 years ago now a new high pressure sludge treatment facility, which we call SBAP. We're also doing some work up in Cumbria in order to protect the environment, where we're putting in a new large diameter distribution system so that we can protect some of the very fragile ecological habitats that we've got up in that part of the world. And I think engineers of the past, it was much more about doing hard sums and solving hard problems, but actually the engineers of the future that we need are much more all-encompassing. So I'd be looking for somebody with high levels of curiosity, with strong problem-solving skills, and really important to have strong communication skills. I don't think that academic ability is necessarily the be-all and end-all. We recruit people from a very diverse base of academic achievement. My son, for example, is 16 and he's doing his GCSEs now, and he wants to be an engineer, and he's entering the profession through the apprenticeship route. So really it's quite a diverse pool of people that we would be looking to recruit from. So we're supporting the social mobility piece, and certainly in the Northwest that's a really important part for us, making sure we've got racial diversity and of course gender diversity as well. In addition to our engineering colleagues, we have professionals in project management, in IT, in science, general management, HR, administration, all sorts of areas. So if you're interested in joining UU, check out our careers page on our website.